Yaki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nagamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Pynbudnam, but 6% ka Jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Menteri ka Sarkar Jilla, uba polling do ubalongru, unong aktien jong ka Sarkar, uong ba ka jingtmu jong ka Sarkar, ban ujor da ka ejhar, persya yakilat patay kubor na Rithor, bat yaki beriyo, Kiba Pynbudnam Sniew yak Jilla Meghalaya, kala sangya no menta, namar batang hadian sisngi, bala penmi yak jing maham, kila Panmap ba kentobru yaki bloggers. Hak jekaran ba kilat patay kubor, uba polling do ula ongru ba omtang kilat patay kubor. Handray wat kibahiyang hasem jong uraja Raghuvan Shiru kila Panmap ba ya ka Sarkar. Bat ya kipad ba nong song snong ka Jilla Meghalaya, bat kakam kalakod no hangni.
Of our demand for apology sprang when a number of vile comments were made, including incitement of violence against people originating from Meghalaya. So the very next day, the response was tremendous because a lot of these major media houses, including Times of India, including Republic TV, apart from private, bloggers, have tendered their unqualified apology. So that met with our demand.
You won't be pursuing any legal.
We have stated clearly that unless you apologize, we will file defamation suits, and we have filed FIRs as well. Now, once they have taken their word back, for instance, the family of the deceased has also publicly apologized to the government and the people of Meghalaya. So the matter ends there.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.